Hello students, welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today we will seek to learn how to draw the level structure of carbon dioxide. So first of all, write the carbon dioxide formula. So this is the formula of carbon dioxide. So your next step should be you have to count the valence electrons of carbon dioxide, and you in the previous video you see that how we can count the valence electrons. Carbon do have 4 and oxygen has 6, so there are 2 oxygen, then total will be 12. So total electron are 16 electron. So we have to accommodate 16 electron in our Lewis structure. So this is a three carbon and three atoms are there in molecule of carbon dioxide. So we have to arrange it in linear order. So for the choice of central atom, must look the atom that have more tendency for more bonding capacity, like they can form more bonds. So carbon can make 4 bonds, so I have choose it as a central atom. So we have to accommodate these 16 electrons. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to you have to draw first of all single bonds. Okay, so single bonds accommodate 4 electrons. Okay, so we accommodated 4 electrons, so still our 12 electrons are still left. So now I will draw as a lone pair on oxygen. So I have drawn 3 lone pair on oxygen. So you can see electrons are all accommodated, 16 electrons. These are 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 12 and 4 16. So now, but one problem is the octet of carbon is not complete. So we will take one step. We have to move one pair of oxygen as a bonding pair. So this will be the structure. So carbon will make 2 bonds and there will be 2 lone pairs on each oxygen. So now you can see that octet is complete, as well as all electrons are accommodated. You can see 16 electrons are now accommodated. So there is one step for if we have to check that our formula is correct or not, we should count the formal charges. So for formal charges counting, you have to first see that which atom from the molecule you have to choose, which element. So I'm gonna choose carbon and apply the formal charge formula. So valence electrons of carbon are 4, as you know that, and bonding electrons are, you can see carbon is making 4 bonds and each contain 2. So 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So you have to divide it by 2, a divided by 2, just because it is in the formula. So next, non-bonding electron of carbon. Okay, you do not have to see in the non-bonding electron of carbon oxygens. Okay, so we have to see on the carbon. We can separately count the formal charges of each element in the molecule. So here non-bonding electrons are 0. So what you have to do is 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. When your answer comes out to be 0, you can say that your neutral atom should have 0 formal charge. So you can say that your Lewis structure is correct. If you do not have a 0 answer, so it will be showed that your formula is, so your Lewis structure is not correct. So you can also count the formal charges of oxygen as well. Write the valence electrons of oxygen 6. Write the bonding electrons, and you have to select one oxygen. So one oxygen do have bonding electrons 4 and divided by 2, and then you have to see the lone pairs, and lone pairs are non-bonding electrons are 4 as well. So 6 minus 2 minus 4. So you can see that answer would be 6 minus 6, and that comes out to be 0. So you can see that in this way we can see that we can calculate formal charges of each molecule. So if you like the video, give us huge thumbs up, keep watching our channel, and goodbye, take care.